Hello students, I hope you're all doing well. We are starting question number 20 of exercise 10C, right? And in the figure you can, in this diagram, in this figure, as you can see that there's a triangle XYZ and it's not a right angle triangle, and you're given some sides, and in part 1 it is given that cos of angle XYZ is equals to -1/21. Form equation and show that it reduces to this equation. You are given the sides and one angle, and using this information we are gonna form an equation, and we will show that on simplifying that equation becomes takes this form. Okay, so let's begin. We are gonna apply cosine rule here, cosine rule, right? And let's say if I take this side xz square according to cosine rule, it will be equals to the sum of this side 2x plus 1 square plus the square of the other side 2x square plus uh, minus 2. So here it's according to the theorem, we have minus here, minus 2 into this side, which I have taken over here, minus 2 into this side and the other side into 2x into cos of angle. You will take that angle that is formed, you will take cos of that angle that is formed between these two sides, right? You cannot take this side and the this one, or the angle between these two sides or between these two sides. You will take this angle and that is formed between these two sides. So cos of angle xyz, and let's substitute the value for xz2, which is equals to 3x whole square is equals to, now let's open it by using the formula. I'm sure you are all aware of that. Whenever we get this kind of form, we will open it by applying whole square formula. So according to which I'll take the square of the first term, that is 2x whole square, right, plus 1 square plus 2 into first term, that is 2x into plus 2 of the formula into first term is 2x, not only x, as you can see from here, plus 2 into 2x into 1, right? Now let's next, plus 2x square will be equals to 4x raised to the power 2. Now as you can see from here that this term are all being multiplied with each other, right? First let's substitute the value of cos of angle xyz. As we know that its value is -1/21, so I can write here -1/21. I just substituted the value in the first step, right? So now as you can see that these all terms are being multiplied, so I can multiply this minus with this one and it will become plus 2 plus, right? And as these are all multiplied, so I'm gonna multiply this 2 with 2x first, so I'll get 4x. So that I'm just trying to simplify this multiplication. I multiplied 2 and this 2x, right? So I got 4x here. This term is now left, and also minus plus 1/21, because minus is also being multiplied with this minus. So now I have 4x into 2x plus 1 into 1/21, right? Now 3x whole square is equals to 9x raised to the power 2 is equals to 2x whole square will be equals to 4 into x raised to the power 2 plus 1 square will be 1, and on multiplying these I'll get 4x, right, plus 4x plus this 4x square. Now let's multiply this 4x with this term first, and I'll get 8x square, right, on multiplying 4x with 2x, right? And next I multiplied 4x by 2x, and next I'll multiply it with 1 plus 4x, and this term is multiplied by 1 over 21, so I've written it in brackets. So I'm going to write here 1 over 21. It's plus symbol which is not clear, so I'm gonna write it again so you don't get confused anywhere. Now 9x square is equals to 4x square plus 4x square is equals to 8x square, right? Plus 4x plus 1. Now I'm gonna multiply 1 over 21 with these two terms, and then I'll get 8 over 21 into x square plus 4 over 21 into x, right? Now let's write the terms with similar variable on one side and just simplify them. So I'm gonna write this equation over here, and I'm taking this 9x square on the other side of the equation. So I'll have 0 over this side, and here I will have 8x square minus 9x square plus the rest of equation, which is plus 4x plus 1 plus 8 over 21 x square plus 4 over 21 x, right? So now I'm gonna write the terms with similar variable with each other so that we can simplify them further. 8x square plus 8 over 21 x square, right? Sorry, first I need to simplify it. As I have 9x square too, so 8x square minus 9x square will be minus x square, right? And then I'll write this term along with this first term, that is 8 over 21 into x square plus, now I'm going to write the terms with x variable, and the other one is plus 4 over 21x, right? And I have another term that is 1, so I'm going to write it here. Now as you can see that x square is common in these two terms, so I'm going to take it common and I'll get x square. If I'm taking it common, then here I will be left with minus 1 plus, from here 8 over 21 is left, right? Plus I'm gonna take x common from here, and I left with 4 here, and plus 4 over 21 here, plus 1, right? Now on you can see that you will have to take LCM of this term, as well as you will simplify it by taking LCM, and or you will check that on taking LCM you will get by solving this term you will get minus 13 over 21 plus x into, on solving this one you will get 88 over 21 plus 1, right? Now if we look at the this equation that is required, that we are asked to find the equation and simplify it to this form, then let's compare it after multiplying. It's minus 13x square over 21, right? Plus 88x over 21 plus 1. As if we compare, we can see that 21 is not in the denominator in this equation. So I'm going to take it common from the denominator. And I'll write it, because I'm taking it common from the denominator. That's why I'm going to write 1 over 21 here. And we will have inside minus 13x square plus 88x, and as there is not 21 is not present in the denominator of 1, so I'm gonna multiply and divide it by 21. Now if I take 21 common from the denominator, rest I will have from here only 21, right? So we will do cross multiplication here. This 21 will be sorry, not cross multiplication, we're going to multiply this, take this 21 on the opposite side, where it will be multiplied by 0, right? 0 into 21 is equals to minus 13x square plus 88x plus 21, right? And 0 on being multiplied by 21 will give 0, is equals to, now if you look at again compare this side, we will see that 13x square is positive and the rest of the terms are negative, but here 13 is negative and rest terms are positive. So I'm going to take minus common from here, and we know that when we take it common, the terms which are negative, they would turn into positive, and the vice versa, right? So on taking minus common, I will be left with 13x square. This is plus, it will turn into minus 88x, plus again plus will be minus 21. And as so I can multiply both sides with minus, and this will turn into positive. So I'll get equation 0 is equals to 13x square minus 88x minus 21, which is required equation. So we are done with the first part of this question, and here are asked to find the part 2 and 3, and that's all.